If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. In this episode of Berkshire Wisdom series, we are diving into the Warren Buffett's 1983 shareholder letter and one of the most eye-opening sections ever written on equity issuance. This is not just for the public company CEOs, this is for any investor or entrepreneur who thinks dilution is harmless. Buffett shows us that the way a company raises and spends its currency, whether it's cash or whether it's stock, tells you everything on how it treats its owners. Shares are currency. Don't use them lightly. Buffett's first principle is simple. We will not issue shares unless we receive as much intrinsic business value as we give. Then why do CEOs still do it? Buffett calls it the ego trap. So why do CEOs issue shares when they should not? Warren Buffett calls out their justifications. We have to grow. The company we are buying will be worth more later. It's only 51% stock and the rest is cash. This brings us to when does it make sense to issue stock? Buffett lays out three scenarios where issuing stock is acceptable. First and foremost, equal value merger. Secondly, stock above intrinsic value. Thirdly, damage repair buybacks. This brings us to the real definition of dilution. Buffett also warns against earnings per share as a measure of dilution. Just because the deal is EPS accretive does not mean that it's creating value. There have been plenty of mergers non-dilutive in this limited sense. They were instantly value destroying for the acquirer. And this brings us to the double whammy of bad share issuance. Buffett ends this section with a powerful warning. When companies issue shares foolishly, shareholders get hit twice. Firstly, when they lose intrinsic value in a bad deal. And secondly, the market also assigns a lower valuation multiple to the company going forward, because now it knows that the management is capable of doing it again. Warren Buffett says that such assurances are treated by the market much as one bug in the salad explanations are treated at restaurants. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.